Alright, I'm recording this on my phone. This is actually my third try recording this video, and as you can see, I've already opened a box thinking that my camera was recording, but it wasn't. And I've tried again to record with my camera, and it just isn't recording today. So I'm just using my phone here. As you can see, this is the free package that Gweike was giving out to owners who've already purchased their laser, and it's the updated inline fan. So it's a 6-inch inline fan that looks exactly like the AC Infinity one I have already. Comes with the fan, duct collar, reducer, probably goes like right here, something to reduce the line. Lightroom, camera cable, and two what they call nylon fabric ducts. Just feels like duct tape to me. But it should be better than those single-walled aluminum ones that originally came with the machine. So I'm very excited to get this package. I already have a AC Infinity fan, 6-inch AC Infinity fan in my exhaust line, so I really didn't need this, but it was nice to have because what I plan to use this for is to take out the fan inside the machine. Excuse me. Take out the fan inside the machine to quiet the system down and run this near the machine to be the main fan that draws the fumes out of the laser. So we'll see how that works. It's probably going to get really dirty because it's all white, and it's probably going to turn all yellow on the inside, so I'll probably have to clean it every now and then. So yeah, just wanted to get this so I can quiet down the entire system, as a larger fan like this will probably run quieter, pulling more CFM out, or pulling more CFM in general at a lower decibel level. And eventually I want to get a new air assist too that's also quieter, so my whole system will hopefully be a lot quieter. So I thought I'd just run through my exhaust setup in this video, because I haven't updated in a while, and some people have been asking me questions about my exhaust setup. Now, I'm no expert, obviously. Right now my exhaust setup works perfectly fine. Yeah, and we'll go through it after this cut. And from the AC Infinity, it goes to the back of the house, another 25-foot run. So I have a very long exhaust run just because of the way the house was set up. It's not the most ideal because it's long, because it has a lot of kinks. You don't ever want to have these like 90-degree angle kinks, but in my case I can't help it. And it's not one of those smooth metal ones. You want to have smooth metal ones if you can help it, because it doesn't create turbulence or whatever that happens inside the airflow. It doesn't restrict airflow basically. But for my 40-foot setup here, it works perfectly fine. My air quality meters here have always been reading green. I put one here at the machine, and I put one closer to the back of the house, just to make sure that nothing is getting into the house. What other updates can I give? Yeah, otherwise the machine has been working great. Highly recommend the machine. I know some people have been having troubles on Facebook, but then usually, the people who have trouble are usually the one posting, and those who are having a smooth time, they usually don't post about their machine. Like me, I don't ever post about my machine these days, and it's evident kind of with my lack of YouTube posts. You can see my long exhaust run. AC Infinity fan sits right back there, and it goes towards the back of the house. So I do have this is actually a 5-inch tube to try to connect to that 5-inch hole in the back, and it connects to a 6-inch right there adapter. I don't know if you can see it, somewhere right there. And it's been working fine. I don't like using reducers because it reduces the airflow, but in my case it's been working fine. So I've cut a lot of stuff, as you can see, stars. I've cut my own spray paint shelves, just a bunch of other little projects that I've been doing over the months. But yeah, this laser has been going really well. I'm very happy with it in general. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. There's also a referral link for $150 off in the description if you want some cash back. And I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get to work because I got a lot more cutting to do, a lot more orders to fulfill. Bye-bye.